welcome back to the channel. So today we are down at Bobbleheads. Wiley is doing a job. He's repairing a parking lot in Booneville today, but he will be here later, assuming he gets it done in a decent time. So, but we got Rachel here helping today, back to good. We got Mary. Did you change your channel name?
No.
Okay.
Mary and Miley.
Mary and Miley's Adventures.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. From Butterfly Acres. That's what
Yes.
I was thinking. You had changed. I was like, did you change it to
No.
the? Okay.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, links will be in the description. We've got Bobblehead back there working on the skid steer, Bobblehead Homestead, and then we got Sal's Camper Life back there doing some stuff in the trees. So we got a team together today, y'all. I've been very overwhelmed and worried that we weren't going to get this all done, and then we had helpers show up.
Yeah.
So more hands.
We arrived.
Yeah. And these ladies know how to work outside.
Yes, we do.
And they're used to working outside. They're used to being in the heat. So
Yep,
good
got
thing.
a little fan, got my cooling cloth, which is also my sweat dabber.
Yeah.
So we're all good.
And yeah, we got kids to help, so long as we can keep kids on track and stuff. So
Oh yeah.
yeah, it should be a good productive day today. It's already really hot, but at least we have a good breeze.
Yes.
Yeah, I think
At
we
least
need
a
to
little
set
bit.
up pools.
Yeah. So
And that way when we have heat stroke, we can just go dive in for a little bit and chill and then go back to work.
Yeah. You mean like get overheated and then jump in an ice bath? Because that's basically what the water feels like out of the well.
That's gonna feel good though.
Yeah.
Yes. If you like it to take your breath away. Yeah.
Yeah. I know it's going to feel like extra cold.
Oh yes.
Bobblehead's down there making a spot for one of the pools maybe. He's going to try to scrape some of the
we can come up with
stuff off because it's been overgrown for a while, so
Got hard
the
little pricklies.
vines and things are like real thick. So if we set up a pool, it'll probably pop the bottom of the pool over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But he's working on getting that cleaned up. He's tidying up the last little bit of tree over there that we hadn't got to yet. And he's just pushing it over to the edge. So we're going to do that. We're going to hook up set up a pool and test the well, see how much water we're going to get out of it. Because our well at our house holds about 250 gallons of water, and then it runs out.
Yikes.
So we have to, hopefully this one's better, and this one will just run and run and run and run, but we don't know. If that's the case, we're going to have to hook up a whole bunch of hoses and run them over from Jeff's other place that has county water and to fill up pools. But yeah, anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing. We don't have time to chit chat a lot, so we're just going to get to work, right?
You got
Right?
it.
Yeah.
Let's roll.
Let's go.
We got to clean up this mess Wiley and I made, and then Wiley will have to come along and move the trailer out of our way, and then we can start setting up tents and all sorts of stuff. So,
Fun.
yep, lots of work going to get done. We'll see y'all on time lapse. All right, y'all. So we got stuff cleaned up around the trailer. Now we have to wait for Wiley to get back so that he can move the trailer out of our way. And in the meantime, the kids, Bracy, Dalton, Miley, we're going to clean up a lot of this mess over here that we made with extra stuff from the construction of the inside, doing the plumbing and electrical and all of that, and start getting that stuff cleaned up. And then a lot of that stuff that you see over there is going to be set up for the 4th. We've got a washing machine that needs to go in the shed. First we got to clean the inside of the shed out. We got and then we got the Blackstone that's going to be moved over to this side of the shed where all the cooking stuff is going to be. We got our work cut out for us, so we better get after it. am tired.
I'm wore out.
Today was a long, long day.
Yeah. I had to go to town first thing this morning and do a job in town. Got back at what, about 1:30, 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
And then...
Now it's like 8 o'clock at night.
I mean, you can tell the sun's down.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, anyway.
We got a lot done today.
A lot.
A lot done.
Yeah. With the help of Rachel from Back to Good.
Mary.
And Mary over at Mary and Miley Adventures.
Yep.
They done a lot. We done quite a bit.
Kids helped a little bit.
A little bit.
So we got all of this cleaned up. We got the trailer moved out of the way. We cleaned up on the other side of the shed. I cleaned up in the shed. And we got this tent set up.
And we got the shed all backfilled around.
Oh,
and a little ramp going up into it here.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Rachel and Mary cleaned up the area over that direction where the porta potties are going to go. And Sal was helping Jeff do stuff today. They were working over here under these oak trees. They set up a small pool to see how much water the well held. And other than the sulfury smell, the water's crystal clear and looks great.
Looks really good, yes. Yeah. And it went... We're figuring 400 to 500 gallons of water in that pool without a hitch. I mean,
in addition to the kids playing in the shower.
Yeah.
They would get hot, they'd go in there and get wet, get cooled off, and, you know, spend a little extra time in there. So
I'd say we're probably very well pushing 500 gallons we used today, and the well never slowed down. So the well is doing an excellent job. Because that'll never, I mean... 500 gallons a day it'll never happen. Jeff will never need, other than this thing here. Sorry, y'all, Sal was leaving and the dogs got after each other, or got after him. Anyway, other than this deal, putting on the 4th of July, putting on a party, filling up swimming pools, Jeff will never need that much water.
No. No.
So, I think he thinks he run over one of the dogs because they attacked each other and started screaming.
Oh. Yeah, no, they're good.
You're good, Sal! Go ahead!
He's going to back up there and going to chase him again. Jenkins!
You're good, Sal! Go on!
Jenkins! Look, now they're not even trying.
Anyway.
So, yeah. It was a busy day. A long day. A productive day. So this is the tent I was telling you guys is going to be where our food goes.
Yeah.
It's really awesome.
Really awesome.
You'll see that in another video. The setup of it in another video. We'll talk about all the details and stuff. It's really cool. And I think it's going to work out really good. And then tomorrow, Jeff and I have to go grocery shopping for the weekend. And Wiley, what are you going to be working on tomorrow, Wiley?
I am going to be, I've got the RV plug box, whatever you call, breaker box for an RV that I've got to hook up out here between the RV pads. Wiring is already there. I've just got to hook it up. It won't take very long. I will probably have to put the auger on my tractor to get a pole put in over there, and then put the RV box on it. I've got a little bit more wiring to do in here. It's not 100% yet, but it's just hooking up a couple of wires. It's not a big deal.
You put the rake on the tractor, rake up all the little small sticks and stuff that we scattered when we fell some trees.
I've also got to level out a pad right out back over here for the bouncy house to go on. It's pretty unlevel over there. Kind of tilts this way, so I'm going to have to level that up so we can get the bouncy house set up over there. I've got to put the new bearing back on the flail mower for Jeff. I've got to level out a spot back here for the big pool. Actually, there's a couple of spots to level out for the smaller pools too. They're fairly level. I just got to like scrape the grass off the ground. But I mean, as much as I can get done tomorrow, and then continue on the next day. You know,
And Rachel and Mary are going to come back over on Wednesday and help some more. And then probably Thursday afternoon and finish helping on anything that needs to be finalized.
Tying up loose ends.
They were very big help today. Getting things ready. Yeah. So, and then once we get done down here, we still have a lot of work to do at our house.
Yeah. I mean, whether or not that even happens, we'll see.
We might be bringing people over to a dirty house.
And we got I mean, I've got a pile of tin and our lawnmowers and stuff for the club. A few things scattered around the shell pit. I would like to straighten that up a little bit. If it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't.
We could do fireworks over there regardless.
Oh yeah, there's plenty. It's fine for that. It'd just look a little better if it was straightened up some. But if it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. That's all there is to it.
Yeah.
I do need to set up the shooting range though. I have a very good idea for that. And that might just be something that we do on
Friday, Saturday,
yeah,
whenever we're going to do that.
Right, whenever, whatever. I don't even know how many people's bringing anything to play with. I don't, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever.
We also need to move Jeff's
What is that?
trailer.
They got their goats out there?
Oh, I guess so. I didn't even realize they had them. That's what it looks like, huh?
See them all bouncing around down there.
Yeah. We need to move Jeff's trailer.
Which I'm just pushing it straight back. It's just going over there by that pile of stuff.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put our trailer. We got to get our trailer cleaned off because our trailer is going to be the stage. We're going to put it over here. I do believe that David over at Come On is bringing his wireless mics and speaker and sound system thing, whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but so it'll be set up on the stage. So yeah, I'm just pushing that back and then putting ours over there. Hopefully I can get them man, they are solid concrete steps over here. And I don't know if Jeff's skid steers are going to move them or not, but if it will, I'm going to set them up on the edge of the trailer. That way people have stairs to go up to get the trailer.
Yeah, that'll be cool. And I got to decorate the trailer. I'm looking forward to that. That'll probably happen like Thursday or Friday.
Yeah. Still lots to do.
Yeah.
But we're getting, I mean, it's all little stuff. It's just, yeah.
It's all the stuff that if it didn't happen, other than the door, we need a door. Wiley's got to build a door.
I forgot about that too. Yeah. I got to build a door, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah, I got to build a door.
I mean, it don't have to happen. We could throw a shower curtain up right there.
Yeah, and then when the wind blows, the person in there better be showering in their swimsuit.
We have to have them with the little magnets on the bottom where it'll stick to that tin and keep it closed.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I don't think that I think that if there's not a door, you probably ain't going to get anybody using it for a shower because it would just blow open.
Yeah. Anyway, I totally forgot I still.
So other than that and finishing the wiring stuff, really the party could happen without doing anything else. I mean, other than like setting up pop-up tents and stuff like that, but that doesn't take long. But it's all the other little stuff that this is special. It's America's 250th birthday.
Right.
We want to make it awesome and memorable and special. So
yeah, the stage ain't. I mean, we're liable to set the stage up and it not even get used. We don't know.
Yeah.
But
the kids might give us a karaoke show or something. Yeah.
So it's not that big of a deal if it happens, you know. It'd be cool. If not, it's not like we can't set the speaker on the ground and pick up mics. I mean,
right.
Really,
yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
The plug-in for the RV is a must. The door's a must.
So prioritize those things.
Right. The level ground for the bouncy house is a must. The level ground for the swimming pools are a must.
Everything else is extra.
Everything else really is just, extra.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm going to do everything I can to make it all happen.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not promising anything.
Yeah, because he gets to babysit tomorrow while I go grocery shopping.
Yeah. Yeah, I get to babysit.
I'm glad Jeff's going with me, because if he wasn't, Wiley would probably tell me to take the kids.
I don't even like you anymore.
Yeah. But we did fill up a swimming pool down there, so they get to play in that.
So I'm going to be
tomorrow.
like, y'all go get in that swimming pool and leave me alone.
Yeah, don't come out till you look like prunes. And then get back in. Anyway, yeah, so it's after 8 o'clock and I still have to go home and cook dinner. So it's probably going to be 10, 11 o'clock before we're done.
I don't even know if I'm going to make it to eat dinner. I might just go to bed.
Yeah, I don't know. I got to eat something. Anywho, we love y'all. I guess this is going to be the end of this video. I'm more out.
And it's about dark.
Yeah.
It's actually probably a little darker out here than what it is on camera. But,
right.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, that's okay. Anyway.
All right.
Yep. Love you guys. We'll see you again in the next video.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.